Isa ka ba sa katulad kong mahilig sumayaw pero ang sayaw ay hindi mahilig sa akin? Uy, charot lang uy. Hi everyone! I hope you are doing well today. Sa mga kapwa ko OFW dito sa Hong Kong, I invited you all to join the Zumba Fitness Migrants Hong Kong sa halagang 30 Hong Kong dollars for 2 hours Zumba sa malawak na air-conditioned room na pwede ka talaga magtambling-tambling dito guys. Sulit na guys ang binayad mong 30 Hong Kong dollars for 2 hours. At walking distance lang ito from MTR station. Location, minsan sa Wan Chai at minsan naman sa Kennedy Town. At sigurado akong mag-enjoy talaga kayo dito guys dahil bukod sa magaling at mabait na coach, ay napaka-friendly at very accommodating nila guys. Sa mga interested mag-join, just hit my inbox for more details. At yan lang guys, thank you for watching and see you in my next adventure and follow for more.